Found a ZTS file in your inbox or downloads folder and wondering what it actually is? ZoneAlarm's email security feature renamed a potentially dangerous attachment to prevent automatic execution. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through safely identifying and restoring these files. Consider this the advanced section. For those with critical ZTS data, I have an expert-level solution waiting. First, the simple methods. A file, typically an email attachment, that has been renamed by ZoneAlarm security software. Users encounter this when ZoneAlarm quarantines a potentially unsafe attachment by changing its extension to ZTS to prevent accidental execution. The primary user goal is to safely access the original file's content after verification. The ZTS file is not a format itself, but a renamed container. Its internal structure is identical to the original file, e.g., exe, DOCX. ZoneAlarm's design choice is a simple, effective security measure to neutralize threats by disassociating the file from its default program, forcing a manual user action to restore it. The specialized program designed to handle ZTS is ZoneAlarm Pro Antivirus plus Firewall by Checkpoint Software Technologies Limited. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows keeps them hidden because improperly modifying them risks system corruption. Let's check the software manifest. Right-click your ZTS file and select Open with Test ZoneAlarm Pro Antivirus plus Firewall if it is installed. If it's unavailable, choose a different program. We are looking for the right interpreter. If your ZTS file is not opening yet, that is normal. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, verifying file safety. Before doing anything else, scan the ZTS file with current antivirus software, like Windows Defender or Malwarebytes. ZoneAlarm renamed this file because it was flagged as potentially dangerous. If the scan reveals malware, delete the file immediately. Only proceed with restoration if you trust the sender and confirm the file is legitimate. Next, restoring the original extension. Identify the original file extension by checking the email source or contacting the sender. Common rename types include exe, BAT, VBS, and SCR. Rename the ZTS file back to its original extension using File Explorer with file extensions visible. Right-click, select Rename, and replace ZTS with the verified original extension. Finally, adjusting zone. Alarm settings. Open ZoneAlarm and navigate to the Mailsafe or email protection settings. Review the list of quarantined extensions and adjust the rules if you want specific file types to pass through unchanged. Use caution when relaxing these protections, as the Mailsafe feature exists to prevent malware infections from email attachments. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Finally, the problem might be deep-seated. Your most efficient path to success now is using a high-powered universal viewer like FileMagic. This software is available at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.